If you plan on driving at all, you should check your tires. You need to know CDOT has put traction laws in effect for the metro area.
Adam, CDOT has never done this before, which just shows you how bad the conditions are out here right now. And I got to tell you, on our way here, we were driving in our live truck. We saw a handful of abandoned cars. A lot of cars were sliding off on icy spots.
It's a musical weather report.
Dennis Blair with the weather.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and I'm stocking up on NyQuil. The East Coast is 10 below. From the snow, from the snow, from the snow. Yeah, the snowdrifts are up to here now. My car has disappeared now. Even Charlie Sheen is laying low. In the snow, in the snow, in the snow. There's no sign of it stopping yet. It's so cold that I can't even blink. To get warm, I would even let Bill Cosby buy me a drink. Pedestrians have got so squalid. Donald Trump's mouth has frozen solid. Hillary is the next to go. From the snow, from the snow, from the snow. Well, this storm never seems to end. And it's such an unusual sight. You'll never see anything again that's 24 inches and wide. Wait, there's more! It's so cold out there, I've been thinking. Caitlyn Jenner's trunk junk is shrinking. Ted Cruz is moving back to Toronto. From the snow, from the snow, from the snow. It's so cold outside, it's been stated. Tom Brady's balls are deflated. Yeah. Sean Penn is spooning with El Chapo. In the snow, in the snow.